Hi guys, so I am painting. This is Anna, and I'm trying to get her some skin tone. I'm using mica and I'm using a brush, and this is going to be dried on, painted on her. It's not mixed with anything, just the powder on the side of her face. See, she's all cracky. She's really deteriorating rapidly. Okay, so some of the colors I'm using for the face, I'm using a yellow mica, dark yellow mica. This is from Windy Point if you're in Canada. This company is closed. It's a pearlescent, incandescent pearl-like mica. And a bit of this, I don't know, this pink here, I don't have the name on it. And for the other areas that I'm gonna use the Planet Egg Mars red mica, and the gingerbread from from Windy Point, and I think I have to get some blues. That's what I have to do. Now let me finish painting her. Okay guys. Alright, so let's give her some cheeks. Her cheeks is going to be, it's a little bit too brass.